Here at the office, we like to use this Bunn CW series coffee maker. This thing's pretty awesome. It's got two warmers on the top, and you've got actual different switches here to turn these warmers on. You got a bottom lower warmer on here, and it's just very simple. You know, we get our coffee supplier, brings us filters and coffee packages like this New England coffee. Very simple. Just throw the filter in the tray, throw the coffee in the filter, and of course we have this hardwired to our water system right here, so it's very simple. Fill the coffee maker up, turn the lower burner on to warm. You press start, and in a couple of minutes you'll have a nice fresh pot of coffee. This also has a hot water tap on here, has a light on to tell you that it's ready, and all kinds of stuff in here. I think this is for a feature we don't have, but this thing is about, I guess that's, I'm going to say it's about 18 inches long. There, doesn't take up a lot of space on the counter. You can see on our kitchen counter how much space this actually takes, and you can see it here next to a refrigerator. So it's not a huge item. It's basically a big rectangle that sits in the corner of your kitchen island, and you've got the water feed coming up. Plugs in 110 volt electricity. This thing just works fantastic. It's very reliable. Never have a problem with it. This is the Bunn CW series coffee maker. Pretty awesome. Check it out.